guys, and welcome back to NoBlandMakeup, where we do makeup and body paint tutorials, usually with a cosplay twist. And today I'm playing with blue eyeshadow. Technically it's a pigment, whatever, but I'm gonna be doing this. I also recorded this a while ago, very early in the morning a while ago, and I know that because I was technically eating breakfast while recording this, so there you go. Also almost dropped my camera like 4 different times. Yeah. Anyway, so the first thing we're gonna do is take a black eyeshadow. I use the one from the Huda Rose Gold palette. You can use any black eyeshadow. I know Sugar Pill has a really good one. Saucebox as well has a good black eyeshadow. Anything that's really dark. You want to start by using a little bit, kind of placing it where you want, and start blending it out. That's why I took most of the color, put it on the crease, and then with whatever was left on my brush, that's when I took it into the crease part. I took most of the color on the outer V, my bad. And I kind of built that up. Next, to give me a softer kind of transition, I took a little bit of a darker brown, a little more cool toned, and put that just above the black so that it kind of fades out a little bit nicer, and it gives you a little more of a smokier effect, kind of. Then I took that same black and put that on the lower lash line. This is going to kind of act as eyeliner. With darker smoky eyes, I don't really like to put eyeliner, just because my eyes are already small, and doing that is going to make them look even smaller. That's also why I don't bring that black all the way to the inside corner of the lower lash line, because again, darker colors are going to make things look smaller, lighter colors are going to make them look bigger. For this particular eyeshadow, it's one of the loose pigments from Sugar Pill. Let me grab it actually. Now the fun thing about this one, it's called Polar by the way, is that they're super glittery, and the consistency is almost like it's wet. So I found that the easiest way to get these on your brush so you can put them on your eye is either to use your finger. It's not as precise as a brush, but it is possible to do something nice with it. Or if you take a little bit, put it in the cap and really work it into your brush before you put it on your eye. That gives you enough on the brush so that you can kind of place the color where you want it. You get full pigmentation and you get a little bit less fallout. With loose pigment eyeshadows though, you are going to get a bit of fallout. There are ways to kind of like mitigate that, using a stickier base underneath, things like that, using a little bit less, building it up. So if you're not comfortable with that, I would just honestly do your foundation after you do anything with a loose pigment, and then to kind of blend everything kind of together, I used a little bit more of that black eyeshadow, and then with whatever was left on my brush, I worked from the blue side towards the black side, so that way I had a little more of a gradient effect. Then I put some mascara. No lashes this time, although with this kind of look you can definitely do lashes. Gives you a nice pop of color, get a little bit more drama with that. I just stuck with mascara. My eyelashes do not do well without some kind of help. I do that in the form of mascara. And then I just did a, like, the lipstick looks hot pink in here. It's one of those clear ones with the little flower in it that turns hot pink, but this is the final look. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's a pretty quick and easy makeup to do, to be honest. But yeah. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe to see what comes on my channel next. And I swear there's not going to be like 30 blue eyeshadows coming out in a row like the Amrezy ones. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!